Welcome to the room 8318 cabin room tour on the Norwegian Sky.
Okay, you're getting the first look at 8318. That's a handicap accessible cabin. I just entered the door for the first time. Nice little couch here. Of course, the bed. I assume that's the door to the bathroom. We'll go over there in a second. A little work table and chair. And of course, the usual desk and the television. Safe. Closet. Accessible closet. That's nice. You can hang things down low whenever my luggage gets here. Here's another one, which has shelves, and shelves all the way to the ground. Very nice. I don't see plugs, at least on this side of the bed. That's always a drawback. Usual plugs there. And then, I don't see plugs on this side of the bed either. Little stand under there. Now let's see what the bathroom looks like. All right, I gotta hold that to back up the scooter, so sorry about the... Okay. It's a heavy door. Not real wild about that. Okay. Roll-in shower, that's good. Sink, toilet, potty chair if you need it, which I don't, of course, but anyway, all the usual accompaniments in the bathroom. All right, I can deal with that. The only thing that's a little tough is the heaviness of the door, but I'll get used to it. That's Suite 8318 on the Norwegian Sky.
I regularly post videos on all facets of the travel and cruise industry, so if you like to keep up with the latest in cruise ships, ports of call, cruises themselves, Chillie chats, and travel and cruise industry news, just hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when a new video is up or we go live. This video was produced by Chillie's Cruises.